Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Brothers, Alhamdulillah, we have arrived here at the warehouse to do the packing of food and sanitary items, as well as medicals, inshallah, which will be packed later on. All the brothers are requested to continue support, inshallah ta'ala. Let us walk through to see what we are packing, and then inshallah I'll take you through the warehouse. So here we have all the items that have been packed for the families. We have, for example, there's khajur, we have sugar, we have biscuits, there's cheese, and there's flour. We have canned food, plenty of that. We have tunas in there, there's jam in there, and there's tea bags, there's halwa. And as you come closer, you can take a look at the box yourself, inshallah ta'ala. So we will be loading these pallets as soon as possible, and if you follow me onto the other side, inshallah, I'll show you the sanitary products as well. So this side we have a team that's packing all the sanitary products, which is very, very important. We do know that people in Gaza right now, they don't have facilities, they don't have showers, they don't have any way to get these products from. So we have, for example, for sanitary products for women, we have soap, plenty of that. We have toothpaste, there's shower gels, also wipes, earbuds, and washing powder, and also there's towels, scrubbers, toothpaste, toothbrush, whatever we have, alhamdulillah ta'ala. And also the next aisle we will be doing later on during the day today or tomorrow will be medicals, inshallah, that will be packed and sent forward. Jazakumullahu khair. Brothers are requested to continue donating, inshallah ta'ala, as much as possible. Let us send as many containers as possible as they need it right now. The second project, which we will be starting very soon, inshallah, it will be the blankets, which we have right here with us. If you follow me, inshallah, in the warehouse. In our second container, we would love to send as many blankets as possible. As we know, it's winter there and people are sleeping in tents. One blanket should support at least 3 members of the family. So we will give you an update of that very shortly. And also we have tents on the other side of the warehouse. Brothers are requested to continue supporting this project. Jazakumullah khair.
Donate to Aliana Humanity Welfare.